Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a fall Fabfitfun. This is not fall. So today we're doing a winter Fabfitfun unboxing, and I am a Fabfitfun partner, so I do these every season, meaning I do them in spring, summer, fall, and winter, and it's a seasonal box, so it comes out all those times, but it's the most therapeutic thing for me personally. It's like pure, unadulterated fun. It just brings me pure joy. There's nothing like stressful about it. I'm just like, look, I get to pick out the stuff I want because I'm a member. So I get to customize my box, so that way I can ensure I'm never gonna get anything that sucks. And I always know I'm gonna get good stuff. Like there's always something in there where I'm like, yes, that was exactly what I needed this month. And I'm always so glad to have like 95% of the things in the box because I picked it out. So that's one of the benefits of being a Fabfitfun member. But anyway, besides that, it's a $49.99 box, and you can get it for $39.99, $10 off with my code, and that'll give you $10 off your very first box. But anyway, let me show ya. This is the box for winter, and it is so freaking cute. I love this box. I love the design on it, and I don't know what the hell happened. It's obviously been through some stuff because it's like a little bit dirty again, but it's really cute. And by the way, you always get full-size products in here. They're like beauty, fashion, lifestyle, health, wellness. We've got it all covered, but they're always full size and they're always worth over $200 in value. I think this is a really good one. So I'm gonna show you what I got in my box. This is stuff I picked out. I'm very excited about it. I need to crack into this so I can start like using it. There's one thing in here that, no, there's two things in here that I am itching to get into. So this is what the box looks like when you open it up. It's this beautiful pink. I don't even know what kind of pink this is, but it's gorgeous. So this is the magazine it always comes with, and it tells you what everything retails for. And then it's got a few other like just, you know, things that you can read. I'm gonna tell you guys as we go through what everything is worth and what the value is, but yeah, I'm so excited. I've just been like, I've been so stressed out because we have Vlogmas coming up, and I'm just like, I'm behind on everything, and I just want to play World of Warcraft. So anyway, so, wow, this is the first thing I got. Okay, so this is the first thing I picked out. I remember picking this out, but I didn't realize that it had a Swarovski crystal in it. Okay, so this is what the necklace looks, is this a necklace or a bracelet? Oh, it's a bracelet, okay. So this is what the bracelet looks like. I'm gonna read it to you. So this is the Adore by Swarovski Organic Circle Bracelet in rose gold, and it retails for $39. So there it is. I mean, wow. Swarovski, it's available at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom and adorejewelry.com. Dude, if it's available at Nordstrom, you know it's good. So very cute. There's the first thing I got. And $40, that is already almost worth the whole thing in the box. So very cute. Okay, here's the next thing I got. And this is the Beauty Bakery. This is my very first Beauty Bakery product, but it's called The Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. And I picked this out myself. And this is, let me see how much this is worth. This retails for $38. This is the palette right here. This retails for $38, and it's got some really nice like neutral shades. This honestly reminds me of the Kylie Cosmetics bronze palette, which I love so much, but look at how big these shadows are. These are like Makeup Forever big shadows. If you didn't know, Makeup Forever's single eyeshadows are like this big. They're huge. I've never had anything from Beauty Bakery, but this seems really cute. Let me swatch, I'll swatch one of the shades so you can see. Isn't that pretty? That was one swatch. I didn't really even do anything. Hold on, let me do another one. There's another swatch. So that's a nice neutral. Everybody can use a nice neutral. And with the holidays coming up, I love to, if there's something where I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna use that much, sometimes I'll customize my box knowing I'm gonna regift it. So like if there was something that my mom needed, or I was planning on getting my mom, I'll like customize it in that way. So like there's a couple things in here where I know I might regift them, And I do that, like, you kind of have to plan early to do that, but anyway. Okay, so next, I got the Veramona Color Switch Solo. So this is nice because if you take a makeup brush, hold on, let me freaking open this. This is like steel guarded. Oh my God, this is like the stickiest tape ever. I don't know what kind of tape they use, but this is like so hard to get open. Oh my God, that reminds me of my grandma. Every year for Christmas, one of my grandmas wraps our gifts so tightly that nobody could get into them, and it's like a funny joke every year. We're all trying to open our gifts from our grandma, and nobody can get into their gift. It like takes 20 minutes, and like on Christmas morning we all go around and we watch each other one by one open our gifts, and so we all have to like wait for the person. We're all just sitting there like anyway, that just reminded me of that because my grandma, I don't know what she does. She uses like the strongest tape in the world. It's like Gorilla Glue. And she does her cards too. When they come in the mail, they're like, you cannot get into them without, oh my God. Anyway, so anyway, what you can do, this is nice because if you use like different eyeshadows and you need to get the color off, you just run it on here like this, and then it'll like get all the color off. Here, let me show you. So I've got all this orange, and then you run it on here, and it should get most of it off. It might leave a little bit of a residue if it stains, but it gets most of it, like most of it off. So like even right now, it's not coming off on my skin. So you can switch it that way. It's kind of cool. These used to be like, when these first came out, this was all the rage at Sephora, I remember. So anyway, very cool, nice thing to have, and a nice thing to get somebody else too, if you don't want it yourself. So next thing, this is something that I'm like, yes. So this right here is the Banjo Bluetooth shower speaker, and this retails for $30. $30. That ain't cheap, people. I've gotten some really cheap ones, but they died on me like immediately. I got them from the Wish app. But anyway, look at how freaking cute. This actually matches a water bottle that you could have got as an add-on. I did a video on it, but this is so cute. And this is like high tech. You can literally answer a phone call in the shower. So there's an on-off button. You can do previous song, you can do turn down volume, you can do next song, turn up volume, play or pause the music, and then you can do answer an incoming call. Can you imagine having a phone call in the shower? Like, we are living in 2030. So yeah, this is so freaking cute. Just in your shower. This looks like so Urban Outfitters to me. And you can charge it if you need to. So I'll just begin charging this right now if you don't mind. This is what I was so excited for. So I got to choose that. So if you are a member, you get to choose and like pick that out, which I think is important. Like if you really want that, you don't chance it, you know you're gonna get that. But that was one of the things I was very excited for. So the thing I'm most excited for, I'll just get right onto it, is this. This is the Unhide Lil Marshmallow Faux Fur Blanket, and it retails for $65. And I believe Ellen DeGeneres is somehow involved in this because it is cruelty free. And by the way, most of the things in the Fabfitfun box are cruelty free, which is nice because many companies don't give a crap about us people who care about being cruelty free. So you gotta love it. I mean, you simply have got to love it. Oh, wait a minute, this is huge. Oh my God, look at this. Let me sit, I'll stand back really quick. Look at this. No way. Look how big this blanket is. How did this fit in the box? How did this fit in the box? Wow. You guys, what? This is the freaking best thing that you could have got. Why would anyone choose anything else? This is crazy. Oh my God. This is so freaking comfortable. And this is kind of cute too. Like you can literally use this as an accent. Oh my God. And that retails for $65. I know because I've been trying to find one of these. These are not cheap. I feel like this was sent to me for me to have. Wow. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm wearing this for the rest of the video. So there you go, people. Paid for the box itself right there. They just have the best stuff. I love this box so much. I love it so much. I don't care what anyone says. So anyway, So the next thing we're moving on here is something that everybody gets. Every person that got the box this month is gonna get this. And it is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. It has biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees. Leave on soft and conditioned hair. So it says it retails for $23. I love Dry Bar stuff. It is so good. Their products are amazing, but the dry shampoo is my favorite dry shampoo of all time. I love having a detangler. I always use like a leave-in conditioner or a detangler every time I get out of the shower, and I love this. I bet it smells really good. I'm trying to get the cap off. Why is everything so hard for me to get into today? I'm just gonna smell. I don't want to spray it yet. It smells very like, I didn't expect that. It kind of smells like Aveda products. But anyway, moving right along. So next thing that we have is the Cuccio Somatology Calm, let me put it right here, Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. It retails for $40. It's a blend of lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. So I don't know if it's really $40, but so anyway, that's nice. You could just refill your friggin' soap if you need to, but I guess it's calming. Lavender is calming. I do like lavender, I really do. So anyway, that's nice. Everybody gets that, and again, that's something you could re-gift to somebody else too. I don't say like re-gift like, oh, this thing freaking sucks, but I'm saying like if you know somebody that likes that kind of stuff or needs that, then I don't know of anyone that needs it, but you know what I mean. So anyway, here is the last thing that we got, or I got. Everybody gets this as well. This is a $20 makeup eraser in pink. And it's been a while since I've used this, but I think I already have one of these. I got one when I worked at Sephora, which was a long time ago, but I have to say these are like magic. And I don't know if I'm in love with, look how big they are. You just get it wet and then you literally just go to town. I have to say though, I don't know if I'm on board with like washing it, you know, like you have to wash it. And it's like always on rotation, and it's hard when you live in an apartment complex like mine and we don't have a laundry. It's hard even if you do have a laundry, like to keep washing it. I don't know what like the protocol is on keeping it clean and hygienic, but this is nice if you want to be, you know, more sustainable. But what is cool is I've used this before. Nothing gets my face makeup off better than this. It was like, I did this on my face and it just feels like any other thing. You're just like washing away. But if you do, like, I always do toner afterwards. I put it on a cotton round and then I like try to get it off, but nothing comes up. There is not one shred left on your skin. It is the most bizarre thing in the world. And since then, there's been a lot of copycats of this item. So this is the original though. So this sparked, you know, that I always think that says something. It's kind of like, you know, the first one to do it, you know, invented it. I don't know. But, oh, it says wash 1 to 2 times per week. Okay, there's the protocol then. So anyway, everybody gets this. That's pretty good. You get some good freaking stuff. I really like this box. I thought it was really good. I'm loving my blankie. Oh, this is so nice. We've never gotten anything like this before. This blankie. Oh, how freaking comfortable do I look? I'm like ready to go to sleep though. Oh my god, I've had like a really long week. So anyway, need more Coke Zero. So anyway, that is everything that I got in my box this month. Let me know what you got in your box. Are you gonna sign up this month? What are you gonna do? Did you like this box? Do you like my unboxings? I like them because, like I said, they're therapeutic for me. It feels like we're hanging out unboxing, and it's just fun. It's just fun. I don't know. I don't know what else to say, but anyway, if you want to get $10 off your first box, I will have a code down below for you, and I will have a link if you want to sign up for the winter box. You can still sign up now, and if you become a member, you can customize your box, and we can get the same exact box. We can be box twins. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.